Got him.
Oh yeah?
Yep. That's a good one.
Oh, it's a good one, boys. It's a good one. Yeah!
He said off the end of my dog all day.
Oh, heck yeah, let's do it.
I'll show you the dock to go to. I'm dead serious. I've never had anybody tell me anything about it.
Oh, that's a fish right there. No, I'm good. We don't net in this boat.
Oh, little baby. Nice.
Put a fish in the boat, boys.
Dunked out the boat right there.
Yeah. We got the skunk off of us. All right, fishing a boat number 1. All right, guys, today we're out here on a private lake and the spawn is on. His buddy gave us access to put the boat in out here. He said he caught 50 bass earlier in 2 hours, so we just had to get out here. I went fishing earlier with my cousin. We tore him up. So me and Weave, my buddy, say what's up.
What's up, guys?
What's up, what's up? Shout out. We're about to get on and we're gonna tune in with you guys whenever we start catching them and tell you how we're catching them. I just caught the first one with a strick worm right here. Of course, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew I was gonna catch one with a strick worm. Oh, you got him? He's got him, boys. It's a good little one.
Oh, he come off.
He shook off with the drop shot.
Didn't feel anything. Nothing. Just a little bit of weight and reeled up. They're not I mean,
they're biting funny?
They're biting real funny.
Oh, they got halfway to the boat. We'll halfway count it. We'll call you halfway.
Oh my word. Woo. Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there.
The water's so clear I can see my bait from a mile away.
Yep.
No fish keeper. Oh, there he is.
Got him?
Yep. I was just slow rolling it.
Oh, nice. That's a good one.
Yep, that's a good one.
That's a good one.
Side 5.
Nice.
Here, oh, barely. We're gonna boat flip him.
Nice.
Yeah.
Take it. Hell yeah.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Nice.
Biggest one today so far, boys. In this lake. For at side 5. We come up here and we see them swirling on top of the water feeding. It's time to pick up a ration bait. Sure enough.
They're right behind us too. What?
I was just, oh my God, I gotta get back in there. I was just slow rolling, really, really slow, and he came up and grabbed it. Like as slow as I could possibly reel, and it was still 4 or 5 fish. I need to go jig fishing with somebody and watch them, like, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Swim jig or just jig?
Ooh, ooh. Got him. Oh, got him. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one. With a bow spawn.
Yes.
Woo.
Dang, these dudes out there.
Oh, that's a fish, dude. I'm gonna let him have it. It's a big worm. I'm gonna let him run for a minute.
Get it. Gotta go.
Get a hook in him. Ah, come off. Horsed him in too quick. So what I'm doing right now, I switched up. Been getting a bunch of small bites with that small trick worm. I switched up to a Magnum trick worm. And I'm just kind of slowly hopping off the bottom. And they're biting it real funny. I'll pick up on it and I'll feel the weight on there. All right, where they at? Where'd you miss him at?
Right there. Like literally parallel to the dock.
Let's see if I can get one to hit this Ned rig. Takes 10 years to sink to the bottom.
Yeah, that's the only problem.
I think this is a 1/5 ounce weight.
Oh gosh, that's gonna take a minute.
Or it might be a 1/10. I don't know. It's not the smallest size, but oh, there he is.
Shut up.
Yep.
Don't do it.
He's on there. He's swimming with it. Get a hook in him. Get a hook in him.
That had to be the one. Oh. That is the story
of
the day.
Get off of the
Yes.
boat. So many little ones getting off of the boat. Check it out, guys. This is what I'm fishing with here. Ned rig. I put a trick worm on here. This is a Magnum finesse trick worm. And I dyed the tail of it, just the tip of it, chartreuse. Oh, you got him? You got him that time? Hold him down, hold him down. Get him, get this one in the boat. No ifs, ands, or buts. You gotta get this one, son. Baby him, just to get that skunk off. Turn the trolling motor off.
I'm certainly gonna wear this motherfucker.
This one's not getting away, boys.
Hey,
There we go. Finally. Got one in the boat and broke the skunk. Got real wet. We're talking about scouting and going to look for some bigger fish and some beds, but it's hard to leave. We're catching fish.
little one.
Oh, that was a bite on the fall.
Got it. Let's go.
I think this is a big one here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here, son.
Good one?
A little better, a little better. Slapped him with the fish, boys. How many is that now? That's 2 for me in the boat, 1 for you. 2 to 1, 2 to 1. We're putting them in the boat. Woohoo! Nuh-uh. On the big one, let him take it so he gets the hook.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
He nailed that thing. Got him.
Oh yeah?
Yep. That's a good one.
Oh, it's a good one, boys. It's a good one. Yeah! Get him in the boat, son. Yeah,
There we
son.
go.
Woo, we got an audience up here.
Barely hooked. That barely.
Let's see if I can get him. I missed him and he got him. Was you slow rolling or what?
No, I burned it back a little bit. Was that cool or what? It was cool. That was pretty cool, huh? Got him.
Oh, is it a good one?
I don't think it's a good one. No. I mean, equal size, maybe a little bit bigger than the other one. They're crushing the crankbaits right now.
Crushing a what?
They're crushing crankbaits right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Crankbait bite his arm, baby. Whoa. Ooh, that was almost in the face.
That's probably the fattest one there.
Bam. There you go.
Red, huh? Crankbait bite, boys. It's on fire. Oh, got him? With what? Drop shot. Drop shot bass. Daggum, son, how big is he? He's been killing it over the drop shot, getting so many bites. Makes me want to tie my drop shot on.
Best one all day.
Is it? Yeah, he's a little chunker. Hold up the camera there. All right, that's like 1,500 in the boat. Oh, there he is. There he is.
We doubled up for a second right there.
Is he on there? Yeah, he's on there. This might be a better one here.
Hold up.
Yeah. Oh, hey, come on. No. I was holding it down, dude. There wasn't nothing else I could do. I mean, I was holding him under the water. Yeah, I just can't win them all.
Oh shit.
I thought I was hung up. There they are. They are schooling.
Got him.
You got him?
God, he fucking drilled that.
Did he?
Oh yeah. Crankbait keeps getting done.
Crankbait bite, boys. It's on fire.
Oh my god.
You got
Oh
one?
my god. Dude.
Keep him down. You got him with a crankbait. Keep that rod tip under the water.
Hold on, never mind.
What is that? A net? Oh, dude, I thought you had a 10-pounder. Check it out, boys.
Oh, sure felt like a 10. Goodness, man. Oh my gosh. Huge. Life out of reed being a hit.
Ooh, I feel invited.
He did the tail. Is he on there?
Come on and run with it. He's on there. Get him.
Yep. Is that one decent? Yes.
I got him though.
There we go. I'll take it, dude. Fuck yeah.
I told you we catch fish with this dog like every time. What can I do to catch the monster?
Oh, here you go. Here you go.
Oh, you got the monster? With a chatterbait? The chatterbait?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. With a chatterbait? Oh, flip him. Wear him out first. Oh yeah, that's the biggest one of the day for sure.
Yep.
You slow rolling?
That's the biggest one of the day.
But I wasn't watching the room every night.
Literally.
Oh dude. Oh dude, this is a good one here. He smashed it.
Come here.
Oh, come on. No. Nope, he's still in there. He's still in there. Oh, he ain't that big, but I thought he was big. This wind, guys, this wind is kicking our butts. I don't know how many fish we've caught, baby. We are killing it.